Hello, my name's Miss Lehman and I'm the Head of Business and Social Sciences, and I'm going to talk to you about why you should study A-level sociology. So as you can see from the screen, we've got some ideas about sociology and how it helps us to develop the society that we live in. And sociology is the study of society, and it will help you to make sense of the society that we live in and understand the cultural and identity issues which affects us all. In sociology, we ask a lot of questions and we also try to answer them, and we look at different ways that those questions can be answered. So, for example, what is a family? Is it a mum, dad, and children? Or is it two people that live together? Does a family include grandparents? Is a dog, cat, or rabbit a member of the family? And who decides what a family is anyway? And these are all the sorts of questions that we might look at when we're studying A-level sociology. You can see that there are different parts that we study within sociology. So we start by looking at education with theory and methods. We then look at families and households. We look at crime and deviance, including the theory and methods, and we also look at global development. And sociologists use research in order to find out about society. And those research methods ask questions, and they might even do some experiments. And that's how we learn to look at those research methods so that we can understand how society works. And you can see that we've got a theme of theory and methods within two of our main units. It's really important that we can look at how those research methods work. So the big question is, why should you study sociology at Holyrood? And one of the main reasons that we study sociology at Holyrood is because we have a really clear programme in place that identifies the key aspects. We've got different units that you can look at. You've also got experienced teachers that look at how to study sociology and the different teaching strategies. And most of the materials are available online using our Google Classroom. You have regular assessment with personal diagnostics as part of that, so we can look at where you need to improve and also what you're doing really well on. And the teachers have annual training from AQA, which is the exam board that we use. And one of our teachers is an experienced AQA examiner, so we can learn the different techniques that are used and how to gain the best grades. It also means that right from the start, we're looking at those subject-specific questions and how to attack those questions and how to tackle those questions and the structures that you should be using. I think it's a really exciting subject that's on offer for you at A-level. And what can you do with sociology? Well, actually, there's loads of different things you can do, and you can study it alongside a range of different subjects. So we have students that study it alongside health and social care or English or history. And you can go on and do lots of different degree options as well, including psychology, sociology, business, and criminology as well. And there are lots of other career options available to you. So, for example, working in social work or even advertising, policing. And here are just a range of the different students that we've had that have gone on from studying sociology and what they've gone on to do. You can see there's a really big range of different aspects there. So going to university and going into the police, for example. So lots of different examples. We think it's a really exciting subject for you to be able to do, and we look forward to meeting you in September.